in order to change icon size on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open the settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna go to wallpaper and style. And then in here, we're gonna swipe to the home screen and then swipe up from the bottom side to reveal this section. We can start by going to the layout. Over here, we have 4 layouts that we can choose from. So if we choose a small layout, then we have 5 apps in a single row. And of course, these apps have to be smaller to fit them. There is the medium one. Large allows you to have bigger icons, and of course there's XL as well, which makes app icons really huge on the home screen. So besides that, what you can also do, we're gonna exit these settings. We can also go to display and touch settings, and then in here we have display size. And display size, as you can see, also changes the size of icons. So while it changes the size of everything, it also includes icon size as well. And last but not least, if we go back to settings again, then scroll down to find accessibility, then in here we should be able to find the simple view, which makes icons bigger as well. So of course, it's up to you if you want to increase these text and icon size in here and simplify the layout, or if you prefer to just change the home screen grid. Leave a like and subscribe.